Good morning, guys. It's a chilly Monday here. Windy too. Right now I'm going to do gutter cleaning and this residence that I've been service of the last year, December of last year. But I did a soft wash inside and window cleaning too. So especially was in the driveway and the pool deck. Right now I'm going to do the gutter cleaning. Right now here is very clean all around us, and this residence is surrounded by gutter. But things, the good news is not the whole gutters are full. There's some of it, some of the side. What I'm trying to do here first is removing all the gutter. The gutter. Excuse me. Yeah, removing all the debris inside the gutters, and after that, I'm going to rinse it with water. Make sure it's clean, and the water's run down very smoothly in the spout. Then I'm gonna do some gutter whitening, which is not that very dirty on the outside the gutter, but still what as well. Just put my that's how I do my business. That's how I do gutter cleaning. Make my customer happy and satisfied what I do. I tried to what you do gutter cleaning, guys. Remove some debris first inside the gutter. You have to use the tools for gutter cleaning. I can show you how to tools this tools right here. Yeah, put the scoop, and this one too here. Oh, the other one there down there. Yeah, it's just here, go down on my ladder. The other one. So. These two here, see this? You have to use this too to scoop it like this. And you have to use a pull over, and this one's the best, most important tool you get for gutter cleaning. I mean, if the gutter is very clogged and full of debris, you need to use this. So you put in a pull like this, screw it, and you can scoot. You don't have to keep moving the the ladder. You can just straighten up your pull and put this inside the gutter, by the gutter, and push those debris coming to you. And see this one too, the tip that you can push it back there, like a digging on it, and then you can scoop it like this. And of course, you have to use you gotta use a blower to blow it up the gutter. Yep, so what I'm trying to do right now, and I like to be safe because it's windy, like I said, and it's windy, and it's still winter down here. So, here guys, take it easy, have a great day, and God bless us, and see you later. And of course, please, you're watching on my YouTube channel, please subscribe so we can make another more videos like this. And I appreciate you guys for your help with my channel. And see you guys soon. Please like my Facebook page, Explore the Soft Wash. Alright guys, you got a great day. God bless.